different on it, as you know.
I just found this. It's a milligun.
Dun, dun, dun!
On the pop thing out there.
And look down.
That's the milligun.
Woo! I'm sorry, guys, but I was going to get dressed. Oh my God, no, don't die! George, be careful, yeah! Shoot him else. Yeah, we needed that.
Oh, God, do not mess around with me. I would adore you to mess around with me.
So as I was saying, I was going to get dressed, wasn't I? Well, my brother was playing this and he said, come here and put this on YouTube. I was like, what is it? The minigun. I was like, really? He's supposed to be letting me have a go later on. But it seems like he's got it all under control while I'm videoing. So, George, are you going to let me have a go? Alright, so, as I was saying, he just got a minigun, bro, that's good. We need some more of that, don't we, George?
Yeah.
We need loads of bullets for it and that.
But I do better get to business now.
Yeah, let's go to business. I need to get dressed, bro.
Alright, you got
Bro.
this up here.
Ah!